How to put a promo code on Subway app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Subway application from your device and get logged into your Subway account. Now once you're onto your home page, you will see various options. Choose the one that you would like to order. Then tap on View Bag and Checkout. And once you're at your order page, you will see the meal that you have ordered. Now in my case, it shows checkout as guest because I'm using my guest account. If you are logged into your Subway account, just tap on continue. Then you can also add a tip of 10%, 15% or go with no tip. Make sure that you have entered your delivery address correctly. And now under gift cards, tap on add gift card. Then tap add a Subway gift card. In here, you can just type in your gift card number and your PIN number. Once you do so, tap on Save Payment Method. And lastly, tap on Continue. Then lastly, tap on Place Order. Just like so, this is how you can use promo code or gift card on your Subway app. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.